yesterday's video, I talked exactly about Bitcoin, that it was going to dump from this point onwards, and right now we are trading at key support. And in this exact video, I will talk about what could happen to Bitcoin next if we fail to hold support or if we bounce from this support. So don't forget to watch this video till the end, because right now the Bitcoin CME gap got filled up. We're seeing interesting things playing out on several time frames, because there are many things happening right now where you need to pay attention towards. So don't forget to slap up that like button on today's update video. Can we once again smash it back above 1,000 likes? That will be absolutely incredible. And with that being said, let me jump straight away in towards the content. And first of all, I want to be looking at that imminent short target for Bitcoin. So after we dumped towards the downside yesterday, we can see that we found yet again some support on this orange box right here, and you can clearly see it also happening on the 4-hourly time frame. This orange box right here is basically the previous zone of support, and basically as long as we're holding up towards this level, we will be still trading in this range. And what will happen if we do break below this level is that the next realistic target for Bitcoin is going to be 21.2k. So as long as we're holding up towards this level, it's going to be actually look quite okay. If we do confirm a 4-hourly candle close below 22.5k to 22.4k, it will be confirming a breakdown for Bitcoin. And if we have a breakdown, then I will be shorting Bitcoin to 21.2k. And that is also the point where I will be adding more margin towards my trade on that 21.2k level. However, there is still a scenario that we will not even touch the 21.2k, because currently, if I quickly look at this structure, right? So yesterday I talked about Bitcoin, that we are basically creating this weakening structure on the top side. We're basically creating somewhat of a rounding top or a rounding bottom if you invert the chart, of course. And you can see that we were creating these bearish divergence. However, right now, if I look at the chart, you can see that the price action of Bitcoin is forming a lower low on the RSI. Well, in fact, the price action is forming still a higher low. So Bitcoin is currently creating a hidden bullish divergence, because if you don't know already, a hidden bullish divergence is getting created once the price action forms, of course, a higher low and the RSI forms a lower low. And the most interesting part is that this signal is not only flashing on the 4-hourly time frame right now, but if I'm looking at the 12-hour time frame, I can see that this signal is currently flashing on the price action of Bitcoin, and also on the daily time frame. The Bitcoin daily time frame is also creating a higher low on the daily candles, and the RSI is forming a lower low. So we are right now creating a hidden bullish divergence on the 12-hour, 4-hour, and the daily time frame. And this could be a signal that this is maybe already the drop off we've been waiting for, because right now Bitcoin has been retracing back towards this important level of support around that 22.5k, this horizontal level right here. And you can see that previously around this horizontal level around 22.5k, that is this green box right here, has been providing significant resistance in the past, significant support as well, resistance right here, more resistance and more resistance right here. So basically this green box right here is an important level to look at, and as long as we're basically trading above it, we will be still looking bullish. If we confirm the break below it, then I'm really targeting the 21.2k, but as long as that is not happening, I won't be anticipating these targets, right? So that is still a thing I want to be pointing out. The 12-hour and daily time frame are definitely looking very bullish, but at the same time, I still have the same strategy for my trade. I am not going to scale up my trade right now, because I still think it is too risky to add more margin towards my trade right now. So what I will be doing is still wait. If Bitcoin is going to be having a retracement back towards that 21.2k target I've been talking about quite a while right now, I will add 30 to 33% more margin towards this trade. And if we do not touch that level, I'm just going to keep rolling on with this trade like it is already doing, because it's already in a $39,000 profit. And for me, it's definitely going to be okay if I just hold this position size open like this. But if we do have that retracement, it will allow me to just add more margin toward my trade, right? So if you are interested in trading yourself as well, maybe on the hidden bullish divergence, or maybe on the drop to 21.2k or the break of below support, there are many trading opportunities coming up right now here. And if you want to be trading this market, don't forget to sign up a Bybit account right now, because if you sign up an account using the link in the description, you can claim a deposit bonus up to $30,000. And if you're living in the US and you can't use Bybit, you can check out BitGet, because BitGet is also allowing you to trade without KYC and without VPN from the US, and they're giving a $20,000 deposit bonus. At the same time, all these interesting signals are flashing. I am also seeing a warning shot getting fired to Bitcoin right now here, because once looking at the daily time frame, the MACD on the daily time frame, we can see that Bitcoin is currently experiencing a bearish crossover on the daily MACD. What is an historical bearish buy signal and what is also an historical sell signal. So let's see how this is going to be playing out. I want to be pointing this out to everyone out there because yeah, there is of course some signals that I discussed yesterday. There are some weakening signals. We are seeing less exponential tops, less exponential bottoms getting created, and that is a sign of weakening. However, we are creating these bullish divergence right now. So the question really is here for Bitcoin, what is going to be next here is that as soon as we break below this support right here, we could go in with a short position and we can add more margin on the 21.2k. But if we bounce from off this level, we could be shorting the 25.5k or even long Bitcoin to 25.5k. So there are multiple trading opportunities right now here. The Bitcoin is definitely looking very interesting right now here. Be aware, tomorrow it's also going to be the Federal Reserve interest rate hike decision, and that is going to be very volatile for Bitcoin. And if you subscribe to the channel right now here, you will be staying up to date because tomorrow I will be doing a live stream on the exact interest rate hike decision. So I will be trading that live stream as well here because I like to anticipate these news events. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notifications because then you're also going to stay up to date about that one. Currently, we can see as well on the 3-day time frame is that we're about to cross bullish on the 3-day EMA ribbon. And basically, once we cross bullish on this signal, it is going to be game on with Bitcoin because historically speaking, once we cross bullish on the 3-day EMA ribbon, you can see that Bitcoin tends to at least climb up very significantly. On the previous bear market, once it's confirmed, Bitcoin moved up from off that point onwards another 170% here. Also right here, we moved up even more. And yeah, this was also the point the bull market got confirmed. And this was the point where we were basically getting towards a new all-time high. So many interesting signals flashing right now here. The 3-day EMA ribbon probably going to cross in like 6 to 9 days here. So I will keep you guys up to date once it does cross right here. But it is looking definitely very interesting for Bitcoin right now. And if I'm also going to be looking at the average bounces from the legendary support line, currently we're only 50% in towards this pump. And yeah, you can see that clearly last time around we at least got a 300% bounce from off this level. So let's see how it is going to be this time around. Anyways, this was it for me on today's update video. Make sure to watch this support line very closely. We are creating a hidden bullish divergence right now here, and you need to pay attention towards this one. So don't forget to share this video with your friends because yesterday we exactly predicted that we were going to dump from off this point, and we exactly predicted that this was going to be an important support level to look. So let's see how it is going to be playing out right now here. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.